Good morning, beautiful people. I'm Alex and this is Gingerhead & Co, my sewing vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make cuffs with thumb holes, and this is probably the easiest method. This is the method where you don't have to top stitch anything and everything can and should be done on your regular sewing machine with a straight stitch. You need to be quite precise because it will show if you are not precise, but other than that there is nothing difficult. And I know that this is a requested video, so I hope you like it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. To make cuffs with thumb holes, we need our cuffs. For me, it's going to be 2 pieces of ribbing. Each of them is 22.5 centimeters or 9 inches long and 17 centimeters or nearly 7 inches wide. So we take our cuffs, we fold them in half as if they were to be sewn, and then in half again, like that. Okay, so I need about an inch, less than an inch, about 2 centimeters and 3 millimeters, almost an inch from the top on the cuff, and I want an inch from the bottom. Okay, that's going to be attached to the sleeve, and that is the top of our cuff. And now I'm going to cut my thumb holes here. You don't need to do that, but I prefer when there is a small hole here. So I'm going to need about half an inch, let's say 1 centimeter and a bit. And I'm cutting out my hole. And that's through all the layers. Okay, one done. The other one. So in half again, in half, so the raw edges are here. Nearly an inch here. An inch here from the bottom, an inch from the bottom. And it's going to be a bit over a centimeter deep. And I'm cutting them out. We've got our cuffs cut out, and when you open them up again, they look like that. Okay? Thumb holes, and that's the cuff. Thumb holes and the cuff. Now we are going to sew them. We've got our cuffs right sides together, and we are going to sew using a straight stitch. We're going to sew those 3 spaces. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 on both of them. So right sides together. I'm using 1 centimeter seam allowance. You can use whatever you prefer. Okay, back tacking. One done, now the other one. And now, still, wrong side facing me, we are folding the cuff in half so that I've got 4 layers of ribbing. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we're going to make our thumb holes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew together the outer layers first. So I'm pushing the 2 other layers of ribbing, these 2. I'm pushing it down because I don't want to catch it in my stitching. So I'm only sewing the outer layer and the outer layer of the thumb hole. I'm sewing on the curve, just the outer layers. And I'm doing the same on the other side, so I'm flipping it over. I've got a hole here. These were my, well, inner layers of ribbing of the thumb holes, and I'm sewing them together. So once again, just the 2 layers on the curve where we've got our thumb hole. And we're flipping it to the right side, and we've got 1 cuff done. Let's do the other one. So these are sewn together. It's wrong side of the ribbing facing me, okay? I'm folding it in half, so I've got 4 layers, and where my thumb hole curves are, there are 4 layers, and I'm pushing down the 2 that are inside, and I'm sewing on the 2 that are outside, okay? So I'm only sewing through 2 layers of ribbing. Under the fit. Make sure that you are not catching the 2 inner layers. Flip it to the other side, and we are sewing 2 layers of ribbing. And done. And we've got the second cuff done.